Okay. All right. Just don't breathe on it. It's no, that one fell through again. Hang on. Just gotta have really tiny, delicate fingers for part of these installs. You know, there we go. All 3 screws, sort of doing screw things. I have been working tirelessly to bring you a small army of doodads and robotic things, and it is working. Oh, it's not working so well, but it doesn't look so hot. But I'm working hard on it. Well, hardly working. If you've tuned into any of our previous videos, you know that I've been building this garbage for a while. Like, my dream, it's not a very good dream, I guess, is to build you a robot army that's capable of moving without actually connecting the joints, I guess. Like, when people ask me to describe it, like, just don't worry about it. Just let me do things, I guess, on camera. Well, gotta work on that phrasing too. First, I started with this Christmas ornament type doodad, where I just attach these things, the magnets here, and some Home Depot pencils, and it kind of works. And I created this, and this is 3.0, or 2, better than the other one. Out of some paint and tilt stuff and some Christmas ornaments that I had broken in half. But then came the Magic Johnson, if you know what I mean. The Magic Johnson just slammed its way into my life, and well, it got me this resin printed 3D thing that did something with stuff, and well, it didn't work much better than the other one, but it worked better. Lowered expectations. Which brings me to now, like to now. This is what I'm working with today. Just look at all these things. How did I make these things, you ask? Great question. Let me slam that into your noggin. This 3D printer can print 3D. Unbelievable, right? Technology in the 2011 probably. Yeah, it's been around a while. I'm just now picking it up. Still rocking it like an iPhone 7 over here. So this is like a miracle of modern technology to me. I bought it from the Facebook marketplace of bad boys, I guess. And it's doing good. It's a Creality Ender 3 Pro, and assuming that I can make something that's not awful, it can print something that's, well, it's pretty much exactly what I tell it to print. Let's look at what I printed, and we'll judge it accordingly. Just look at all these things we gotta assemble. There's this little guy, and we got some servos, because that's what makes it spin. Well, I guess I make it spin because I turn the knob. It's part of the procedure of making it spin. Probably some glue where everything didn't really turn out the way it was supposed to, or wherever I break it. Yeah, we'll just put some glue on the things that I break. That'll fix it. This is just how you assemble your robot army. Don't be persuaded. Once you get it together, though, this thing is basically unstoppable. Hope that's the right spacing, because if it's not, well, it's just not. Just gonna have to throw this in the trash. You can always tell a good design when you see it. Sometimes you just know it. And not leaving enough space to be able to get a wrench or a socket or anything on these nuts. You gotta spin them in with the tiniest miniature screwdriver you have. That's usually how I tell that I've designed things good. Real nice and good-like. 600 weeks later, it's done, and it's controlled by this terrible little servo controller thing that I've been doodadding around. And just look at all that good movement. Yeah. Yeah. Well, not awful. Not great, but it's not the worst magnet globe robot ball socket joint 3000 I've seen ever. I've seen worse ones. Like, it's right over there. Let me grab it. Oh yeah, just look at that. Working real nice. Well, sort of. So you need to let me know in the comments down below what we can do to make this less awful. And I will, well, I'll try. No guarantees. We're not about guaranteeing success on this channel. No, you should know that by now. This is, at this point I can hang my hat on this and never look at it again and call it a success. And that's what I'm about here, so subscribe.